Completely destroyed the bumper cover. Obviously this bracket's broken. I have a Kia Forte here. This one got hit in this left rear corner. Obviously completely destroyed the bumper cover and caused some damage on the quarter panel. So this one will be getting a quarter panel repair. We will blend the color into the rear door. We'll put a new bumper cover on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this one apart, see if I see anything else that's damaged on it. It's hidden back behind here. Obviously this bracket's broken. There could be a few other things inside of here as well.
Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Roadtech. Roadtech is a new innovative company that just won the SEMA Show 2024 Best New Tool Award. Guys, you don't have to pump anymore. All you have to do is you just push a button. It's really as simple as that. These are battery powered 20 volt e-jacks, and it works great if you don't have much space in your garage, you don't have space to swing a jack handle, or you're going way up underneath a vehicle and you barely have any swing with the jack handle. You could get these with big wheels, or they're also available with caster wheels, just depending on what surface you're working on. They also have long reach jacks, which is what you see me using right here to go way up underneath the vehicle. I'll be honest, guys, I will never use a traditional jack again. After using this, there's no way I can ever go back. Go to shoproadtech.com and get yours today.
So I have this one all tore apart. It's pretty much exactly what we expected. We'll blend the color into the rear door, repair the quarter panel, put a new bumper cover on it, along with a couple other small parts, and that's pretty much all this one is. So I'm gonna get with our estimator, let him get it written up, send it to insurance, get the parts ordered, and then we will start the repairs on this one. So I just went ahead and I wanted to fit this bumper up just to make sure everything lined up good, and it all does. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back off. Now this is a etch primer wipe that is for all of the bare metal, and this is wet, like a wet wipe, and I'm gonna coat all of the bare metal with this before I spray my primer surfacer.